Hello everyone, this is Solomon. I am here to explain you about Java programming by taking few good examples. So in this video I'm gonna tell you a good example. So let's go to the question. This is our question. So this question is to develop a Java application. So we need to create a superclass called shape and two subclasses triangle and rectangle. So these are the shapes, and in that we need to override find the area. So find the area. So we need to find the area of both of them. So for that we need length and breadth, nothing but width even. So let's go to our code. So we need to import scanner class because we are going to enter some values and it should be in the double. So it is clearly mentioned in the question that it need to be in double type. So we need to take it as double. So static double length and breadth. So these are two variables. So we can take x and y even. For a clear note, I'm giving as length and breadth. So void setters double length len. So this is taken as len and this is taken as bac, or we can take this as breadth even brea. So I'm taking as bac. So length is equals to len and breadth equal to base. So void find area. So static string shapes. So these are the shapes, right? Triangle and rectangular shapes. So we need to check the condition here. If shape is equals to triangle, so we need to print directly. We are gonna give the answer for the user like system.out println area of triangle, that is plus half into length into breadth, because the area of triangle is nothing but half into base into height, that is nothing but half into length into breadth. So else it will come to else part if it is not a triangle. So rather than triangle it is a rectangle, right? If it is a rectangle it will come to the else part and perform here system.out println. This will print the statement as area of rectangle is length into breadth. We know the area of rectangle is nothing but length into breadth. So we have created a superclass called shape and we are creating two subclasses in nothing but triangle and rectangle. So class rectangle extends from shape. So superclass is shape. So we are extending from that triangle. So void find area. We need to find the area. So we are taking as find area. So string a is equals to triangle. So super dot find area. So when this is a triangle, when the input is given as triangle, then it will call the function to the superclass and it will go and find the area of triangle. The same way it will, if it is a rectangle, it is extended from shape, it's a superclass. So find the area, we need to find the area of a rectangle. It will go to the else part and it will perform the activity. So here is our main. So public class main. This is a syntax of a Java. Public static void main. So scanner object is equals to new scanner system.in. This is a syntax, this is a compulsory, and this we need to surely we need to enter for scanning the values from the user. So system.out println enter the length. So this will be a print statement for the user. He will enter the length, and here in the same way the length will be stored in the value of length itself, and again we are printing enter the width or base whatever. So he will enter the width. So then the width will be stored in double of width. So shape x equals to new shape. So this we are creating here. This is a shape, is in superclass. This is shape. So yeah. So x dot setters length and width. So length and width are the two main values what the user give. So this need to perform, these are the values. So it can be your name or whatever. This is a variable, this is not a compulsory thing. It need to be x, it can be a, b or apple, ball, nothing, no matter what it is. So x dot setter length and width. So we have setter here. So void setter as double length and width. So this will come here and perform. Length will be stored in length and base will be stored in breadth. And in the same way for a triangle, y is equals to triangle y, this perform the same activity. Find the area, it will find the area, and In the case of rectangle, this will find the rectangle area. So this is the program to find length, area of a triangle and rectangle by overriding the finding area. So let's run our code and see what's the output we are gonna get. So enter the length. At the same time, we are gonna enter 5. Oh no, I'm gonna with 5 is my length and width is my 6. So yeah, clearly we can see area of triangle is half into base into height. So base into height, nothing but length into width, 5, 6, 30, right? And half, so half into 30, that is 15. And area of rectangle is base into height, nothing but length into width, 5, 6, 30. We can see it clearly, and it can mean floating value even. So let's run our code again. We'll give some floating or non values, like I'll go with 4 and some 7. Yeah, even if we have this, we are gonna get 14. We need to find some floating value, like even, yeah, length is 5 and width is 9. We are gonna get floating value as 12.5. You can see it here. When we halve it, we are gonna get floating value. So in this way, our program is built to override finding area value. So this is our code to print the area of triangle and rectangle. That's all in this video. Thank you.